guys, so I think I'm going to change the video schedule because I don't know, this schedule is not working for me. I think I'm going to change it to Tuesdays and Thursdays. Yesterday I did film a video, but as I was editing it, I didn't like it. So I'm going to film this video today and upload it today for you guys, and I am so sorry that this week videos have been a day late. I'm working on it. Yesterday's video was a small tutorial. I didn't like it, as I said earlier. The reason I didn't like it was because I had to do my makeup in the car, and I forgot a whole lot of stuff. So my makeup didn't come out right. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this Prep and Prime on my face. I have my smoothie today. This is, I have pineapples, a little bit of almond extract, almond milk, a little sugar, and yogurt, strawberry yogurt actually, and a little bit of strawberry lemonade juice. And I never made a smoothie with almond milk, but it was so good. Okay, I have no idea what look I want to do today. Maybe something simple. Alright, I guess I'll do my eyebrows first. So I'll do my eyebrows and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this light brownish color and just use it as a base coat. Okay. Okay. So this is gonna be my main color.
Should be getting dressed now. I had to get up a little early, so I'm going out with my mom and my sister. She was getting dressed at 11. I had to get up at 10 something. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and put this color on. I'm a little confused as to what I'm doing right now. Like, I have no idea what this is going to even look like.
This one, like this one.
And I am just, like, happy, I guess. Just trying to, like, pack it on there without messing up anything else. Because I'm good for that.
this small brush and I'm going to use, trying to get it so y'all can actually see the color. I'm gonna use this color. And I'll just put that under my brow bone. Okay. And just blend that into the brown. Though it is not blending. Okay, I fucked up. Let's fix it. I need that other palette back. I'm just gonna take the same brown I used in, use that okay, concealer. Okay. Where's my eyeliner? Okay. Since I did that to that eyebrow, I mean to that eye, I gotta do it to this eye. I feel like I just had too much on my brush. It's cool. It's cool. Just take this mirror and let's fuck up my eyes some more. I need tape. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I put the tape here and here. I should have put this on before I started my eyeshadow, but it's cool. Why one eye gotta come out worse than the other eye? Like, okay, whatever. Okay, it's not that bad. I could have brought it longer though, but whatever. Okay, mascara. Actually, that's just. Oh, this side is clean. This side isn't. So. Yeah, what concealer? Now, I'm gonna take the same color with this smudger brush. And just put a little bit under my eye as well. Okay guys, that's all for this whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And I'll see y'all later.